Hi, this is George here with the Homebrewer and Home Brewing Company in San Diego. Today I'm going to talk about the auto siphon. This is a nifty tool for what we call transferring or racking or siphoning liquid from one vessel to the other. Today I'm just using some water that we dyed with some green food coloring. But there's two main parts to the auto siphon. There's this racking cane piece, and you can find just a racking cane on its own and start a siphon with some other tricks. But the auto siphon does all that for you. And the way it works is you have this plunger here, you'll hold on to this. And as you lift the racking cane up and down to pump to start the flow of the liquid, you just want to make sure that the bottom of your racking cane doesn't go above the liquid line. So I'm going to give it a couple of pumps. And now my siphon has started. I don't have to do anything else other than keep this, the bottom of this auto siphon at the right liquid level and try to avoid picking up any sediment. Some other tips or pointers just keep in mind: always sanitize. I'm wearing some gloves today, but everything around your surface, everything including the racking cane itself, does need to be sanitized. You could do that just by pumping it in a bucket of sanitizer. Other than that, that's it. That's what an auto siphon is. Stay tuned for more. Take care.